So, Mr. Sneeze, why do you got those allergies for? I don't know. It's because I don't know. Give me a minute. Oh, true. Gesundheit. Thank you. What? Mr. Happy, what is that all about? Mr. Mr. Happy, what is that all about? Nothing. He just got sneezes and look at his eyes. They look big, red, and his nose. Ugly! What is that for? Ow! As I was saying, shoot! Ow! Mr. Bump, you alright? Mr. Sneeze, you gotta be more careful if you keep sneezing on Mr. Bump. Sorry. I keep doing that because I have allergies. And now I'm sick. Ew, disgusting. Try to use some tissues. Hold on. Let me read you a story about Little Miss Stubborn. Sure. Little Miss Stubborn really isn't a stubborn person, but sometimes nice. Okay. Little Miss Stubborn by Roger Hargreaves. Little Miss Stubborn was, well, you imagine, well, was you might imagine, extraordinarily stubborn. Once she had her mind made up, she was no unmaking it. Whoa. I met Miss Stubborn before, because Miss Stubborn is so cute. Well, very cute, because she looks like Kirby. For the last time, I am not a stubborn person. Why, yes, you are, Kirby. But why do you look like Miss? Why do you look like Miss? Why do you look like that Miss Stubborn looks like you? I do not look like a little bit stubborn, and I'm not a girl. I'm a boy. Gosh. I look like a little bit stubborn because look at my blue shoes. Ow! Good for you. Good for you. And look. Miss Stubborn has a smile on the face like me. Yee! Okay, well, goodbye.